Hey everyone! Today I want to quickly break down what I learned when I went looking for the best bamboo insurance coverage specifically for condos and townhomes. Section 1. Why I even looked into bamboo. I switched to bamboo after my old insurer hiked up my rates without adding any extra coverage. Living in a townhome, I needed a policy that actually understood the difference between condo-style responsibility and full single-family home coverage. Bamboo stood out because they let me customize exactly what I needed instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all policy. Section 2. What matters most for condo/townhome coverage? Here are the key things I found that matter when you're comparing bamboo to other insurers. Building property coverage. Since I'm in a townhome, I'm responsible for the interior structure, walls, floors, fixtures. Bamboo let me adjust this amount so I wasn't underinsured. Personal property. Bamboo's inventory tool helped me figure out how much my stuff was actually worth. Super helpful. Loss assessment. If your HOA passes down a big bill because of storm damage or a lawsuit, Bamboo gives you the option to increase this coverage. This is something a lot of townhome owners forget. Water damage and plumbing backup options. Not fun to think about, but this is a must. Bamboo made it clear what was included and what needed an add-on. Liability protection. Townhomes share walls. One mistake can become your neighbor's problem. I bumped my liability coverage because the price difference was minimal. Section 3. What I liked about Bamboo. From my experience, here's what actually made Bamboo feel worth it. Their quotes were transparent, no hidden fees. Adjusting coverage limits was quick. I didn't have to call an agent for every little change. Their claims interface is simple, and they actually communicate. I had a minor water damage scare, and their rep walked me through what would have been covered. Section 4. Pricing and value. For my townhome, Bamboo ended up slightly cheaper than my old insurer, but the main difference was value. For almost the same price, I got higher limits, better loss assessment coverage, and optional add-ons I could toggle on or off based on my risk level, not theirs. Section 5. Who Bamboo is best for. From what I've seen, Bamboo is best if you live in a condo or townhome where coverage responsibilities can get confusing. You prefer digital control over your policy. You want customizable limits instead of the generic condo unit policy most insurers push. If you want hand-holding or face-to-face service, Bamboo might feel a bit too digital. But if you want clarity and flexibility, it's hard to beat. So that's my experience finding the best Bamboo insurance setup for condo or townhome. If you're shopping around, definitely compare the building, personal property, and loss assessment options first. That's where the biggest differences show up. Thanks for watching.